Bitcoin crypto morning tea. Hey. Good morning, everybody. It's August 29, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. This is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All a humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bringing the data. The FOMO index has fallen to 24 from yesterday's 28. Bitcoin dominance is 39.8%. 24-hour volume is 66 billion, and sing it with me now. Heartbreakingly low. The overall market cap is 952 billion. Give or take 100 billion. Whoa. E-dominant 7th, and why not do a week of dominant 7ths? Although dominant is a misnomer because they are the simpin' cucks of the chord world. Music passes through dominant 7ths on their way to choruses and on their way out of verses. Nobody stays with dominant 7th chords. They are merely used to advance a narrative, musical pawns, you might say. And you feel relieved and balanced once they finally resolve. Well, we talked about this, so it should have come as no surprise to anyone in this boutique community sharing a once-in-a-lifetime journey together when Bitcoin price action took a dive. First stop on the bear bust to Boise would be the 21.2. Failing support there will likely...
That which once wicked will get candlestick.
Ah yes, the angelic voices of the children's choir of enchanted wicks, letting us know that a juicy wick is slated to be sacrificed down at 20.8. Now here's where time slows down and we approach the mother of all cliffs at 20K. At 20K, that dastardly 20K mother of all cliffs. They will probably have to have another conversation about the 20K cliff. And heavens to Murgatroyd, she didn't do just that. After a false breakout, peaking out at 21.8, the bear bust to Boise slammed down on the Panglosian bulls, wicking down to 21.2, then sacrificing the wicked candle close end open of 20.8. And then finally, after eyeballing the side of the cliff all weekend long, took the plunge, bottoming at 19.5 before tugging its trousers up at time of production, 19.8. Some interesting anomalies is the no crossing of the 50 and the 20 moving average instead. The 20 gave it a hella cold shoulder and continued down, saying that it's his party, he'll cry if he wants to. Now I like this green candle bounce here, tells me a significant pushback from the bulls. However, we're still seeing diminished upside, which we want to get above in order to avoid further sub 20K pressure. Now over on the Ding Dong, aka the daily chart, we most definitely broke bearish from our ascending channel, which happens most of the time. I'm going to put in this line as well, signifying a potential downward trend we might skate down till we ultimately hit 19.5 again and bombs away. Some points of interest is the 20 moving average crossing bearish over the 50. Keep your papers on that, as we can't really talk bullish anything until that 20 crosses back up and over the 50. It's just that plain and simple, my friends. Now over on the Wookiee, aka the Weekly Chart. We closed magnificently red last week, down at 19.5, concluding our bearish jump shot analogy. We droned on and on about last week ad nauseum. And I'd be remiss if I didn't point out the potential carving of old Mr. Clean's right shoulder here. And if I say if that plays out, the price probability on that would be sing it with me now. You take the pull, you slide it all, the breakout point, and then we're all at 13K-ish. Shall we recap? I think so. The 4-hour chart, the strong green candle bounce back is nice, but it hasn't got back up above and signifies more diminishing returns. The ding-dong sees the 20 crossing bearish on the 50. Not good. Till it crosses back, we're not good. Keep your papers on that. It's the general barometer of market health and sentiment. And the Wookiee closed hella red, cementing our bearish jump shot theory. And Mr. Clean might be coming back to dump down on 13K-ish. Shut your mouth and remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And sing it with me now. Or on the banks of boom to spang, Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey, whoa. Make sure you like and subscribe.